Welcome back to the Grown Women's Table. Hey, it's your girl Lori. Guess what, y'all? I've been shopping. I know you were shopping too, but I shopped a Sephora sale, and let me go ahead and show you what I picked up. And if you want to see what I picked up, you know what you need to do, right? Keep on watching. Alright, y'all, so before we get into this video, if you are not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you already are subscribed, thank you so much. I appreciate you. Please make sure your notification bells are on. And everybody should be following your girl at It's Lori's Life on Pandora. Now, let's get into this sale, this haul. It's a haul, y'all. It's a haul, y'all. We're going to get it. But wait. I do got something to tell y'all. Guess what, y'all? Your girl got some exciting news going on. And it's going to drop on Friday. I'm going to let you know on Friday. So make sure you set a reminder on your clock, on your Apple Watch, on your Samsung Watch, on your phone at 7 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, a.m., 7 a.m. And I will drop a video and letting you guys know all about my great news and who I'm collabing with. So make sure you be there. Be there or be square. All right, y'all, let's get into it. Now, what did I get? First of all, I did good. I did pretty doggone good this year, considering what I have done in the past. So, I think I did 3 orders. 1 order I'm still waiting on, but I'm just going to show y'all the pictures of the stuff that I got, because I'm not going to do another video. But let's talk about what I got. I picked up the Sephora Grapefruit wipes. I picked up 2 of these, and then I picked up the charcoal ones as well. Y'all, Lala said, she hit me on to the charcoal ones. And my, what is it called? Aerin wipes that y'all know I love. They're not making them anymore. So I said, let me go ahead and try these. Y'all, these is a banger. Like, so I got 2 of the charcoal and 2 of the grapefruit. And with the 30% off, y'all, it was basically a steal. The next thing I picked up was the Glow recipe, and it's the Watermelon Glow with the PHA and the BHAs in it. So I picked this up because my girl Amber, she was saying how great of a toner it was. So I was like, okay, let me try, because I know her and I both love the Aerin toner in the blue bottle, but she says she really likes this one. So I went ahead and picked up a little small one to see if I like it, and if I do like it, I will pick up a full size. So, you know, okay, we're going to try it out and I'll let you know. Now, y'all know I was picking this up, right? The Tasha Silk Canvas. And so you got a full size of the Silk Canvas primer, which y'all know I love. And then you also got what? The water cream. And then this right here I've never tried, but this is the lip mask. So I was like, I wonder what this is all about. And so for 60 bucks, y'all, plus 20% off, this alone is $54. So we winning. We were winning in this sale. The things I got, I feel like I won. So I'm excited to try the lip mask out, because the other 2 items I already know how they perform. All right, y'all, the next thing I got is the Sephora weighted eye mask. Y'all know your girl has a problem sleeping, like a big problem. So I was like, let me try this mask. And it has like, y'all hear that? Has like little beads in it, and then it has like a adjustable strap on the back, and it's supposed to be weighted to keep, you know, I guess to keep your eyes closed, because you know I have a problem keeping my eyes closed. And one thing I do like about it, that you can take the little things out and you can wash this. So we're gonna see if I like this. I don't know if I'm gonna like this or not, but I'm gonna actually try to use it and see if it helps your girl keep her eyes closed so she can get some sleep. Y'all pray for me for real. Like for real. Okay, so the next thing I got is the Saie, and it's called the Big Brush. You guys, I have the Saie cream bronzer, so that's what this brush is supposed to be used with, I guess. Y'all, first of all, this is a weighted. This brush got some weight to it. This brush definitely is not cheap feeling by any means. And I want to shout out Heavy on the chat because she was like, y'all better get it, y'all gotta get it. And I picked it up, and the bristles feel so soft. It is nice and dense. See how dense that is? But it feels so soft. So I cannot wait. I cannot wait to use this brush. Like, I'm going to use it tomorrow. Because one thing I will say, I know this is not part of the haul, but this cream, I think it's supposed to be a cream bronzer, but I use it as a contour. It's the bomb, y'all. Okay, y'all, the next thing I picked up is the Sephora Best Skin Ever Foundation. And I got it in the shade 59N. I'm actually wearing it today. You guys, I really like it. It's a tad bit too dark, but I really, so far, like this foundation. Lala was telling me, oh, you need to try the Sephora foundation and the concealer. So I picked up the foundation and what is this? 59N. And then I also picked up the Bright Futures concealer, and I picked it up in the shade 18. Now, I do feel like this is what I'm wearing today as well, but it's definitely my skin tone type of concealer. But I think I'm gonna pick up another one, a little lighter. But you guys, so far so good. I'm liking both these. Your girl did pick up the Natasha Denona Glow Face palette in Deep. And that's what's on my eye, as well as the highlighter and the blush. And if you have not already checked out the video, I'll leave it in the link up here so you can check this video out, or I'll put it on the end card, so you could just click it. Once you finish watching it, you could just click the next video. But I picked this up, and I'm not gonna talk about it because I did a whole video about it, but I did pick it up. I also picked up the Natasha Denona Micro Tech Eye Crayon, and I picked it up in brown. And you guys, I have a burgundy one. That was the first one I picked up, but I picked this brown one up because I love the burgundy one so much. But let me show you the brown. You see that? It's a nice rich brown shade, and these are so creamy, like so creamy. Hopefully she comes out with some more shades. I think it's a black one. I think it's only 3. I think it's the black, burgundy, and brown. So I have the brown and the burgundy. I might be picking up the black. But yeah, she needs to make more of these. Yeah, I also picked up Need a New Lippy and Andrea. Let me show you. Let me just swatch it. That's what it looks like. And I know you're like, girl, what? That's pokey. But no, the way I'm wearing it is I'm using a nice dark brown liner and just putting it in the center of the lips. Y'all, she cute like that. Real cute. And I've been sleeping. I know. But I'm going to have to invest in a few more of these. All right, y'all. The rest of the stuff I have not received yet, so I'm just going to show it to you on my phone. I did pick up it's called the Clean Velvet Cream Blush, and it's in the color Spice. And I saw, who did I see? Ashley. Ashley had this, and I was like, oh my God, that is gorgeous. So I did pick that up. I also picked up the Micro Smooth Multitasking Baking Face Powder, and I did pick up in the shade Mocha 70, the number 70 shade Mocha. So all this is supposed to come tomorrow. And then I also picked up a Cream Lip Shine liquid lipstick, and it's in, I think it's called Sun Natural Blush. And y'all, this was only $5 plus 30% off. And the last thing I picked up is an I Story eyeshadow palette in Southwest Sunrise. So y'all, that is my haul. I feel like, oh no it ain't. I'm tripping. It's not the finish of the, I got 2 more things. All right, y'all. I did pick up the Aerin. It's a gift set, and it is the Mediterranean honeysuckle scent. First of all, look at the bag. Y'all know I'm a sucker for matchy and travel. So this is the cosmetic bag that it came with. And then you got a little mini lotion, which I have used already. And one thing I will say about this lotion, y'all, I normally don't like lotions from perfumes because they seem to be watery, real thin. When I tell y'all this is super creamy, like, let me just show y'all. I don't want to waste it, but I'm just show you a little bit. And it smells so good. If you like anything that's clean, fruity, grapefruit, floral, it's like a fruity floral scent, you will love this. Do y'all see how thick and creamy that is? That is definitely not watery. And let me show you. Look at that. It's definitely moisturizing. And y'all see that eyeliner not moving? Y'all see that? There you go. It's gone now. But y'all, oh my God. Y'all, I love this scent. This is one of my favorite scents from Aerin. So you also got the rollerball. Well, no, it's not a rollerball. Oh, I'm sorry. It's a spray. It's the spray. Yeah, it's a spray. And then you got the 1 ounce bottle. Super cute. Perfect for traveling. And I'm the type of person that I have so many fragrances. And answer this question. I have a lot of fragrances. So I stopped buying the big bottles. And I try to get like the 1 ounce bottles because I don't go through these big bottles because I have I'm looking at my perfume collection right now. I have so many perfumes, so I start buying the smaller ones so I can actually go through them. Are you guys like me? Or are you still buying the real big, the big ones? So I did get this set, you guys. This is one of my favorite scents of all time. And y'all, the last thing I got is the Sol de Janeiro Bum set. Y'all, first of all, I just want you to see the box. Isn't this box gorgeous? Like, I'm about to use this box for something. I don't know what I'm gonna use it for, but I'm gonna use it for something. So in the box, you get the spray. You get a full size of the Bum. You get the, that's the scrub, which I'm so excited to try. And then that is the body wash. So all of this was what, 60 plus 20% off. And y'all know this by itself is $45 all by itself. So y'all know it was a steal. Now I'm done. Okay, I am done now. So I still feel like, you guys, I did a good job. Like, I didn't go insanely crazy. So in the comment section, let me know, did you pick up anything that I picked up? And tell me, what is the one thing you are so happy that you picked up from the sale? That's giving, you know, that one thing, okay? So that's it. Don't forget, you guys, set your reminders for Friday because something big is happening on Friday. Your girl is so excited. But that's all I have to say, and that's all I got to show you, right? I'm trying to make sure, y'all. Yeah, that's it. So to all my new subscribers, I see you and I appreciate you. And if you haven't subscribed yet, girl, hit that button so that I can save you a seat at the Grown Women's Table. And until the next video, bye-bye.
If you need some advice or looking for an idea, just to get some tips, you can get that right here. This is Lori's life, yeah, this is Lori's life, yeah. Check out Lori's life, yeah, this is Lori's life.